Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
पूरी होना मुलाकातें आधी आधी सी बातें सुन लो मेरी जरा वास्ते जा भी दूं मैं गवाई माँ भी दूं किस्मतों का लिखा मोड़ दूं.
It's always nice to have friends who are millionaires, and there is a friend of mine who always play in terms of millions, and now she is going a notch above, not just millions. Now she is a billionaire as well. Her song Vaste garners 1 billion views. Whoa, Dhwani Bhanushali. And of course, we are also excited and we're going to talk about Radha. 30 million views already. So, as I said, somebody is playing in millions and slowly inching close towards billion. In fact, have achieved that number, that brilliant number. Billion. Dhwani Bhanushali, welcome to Latestly after a long time. It's been a long time since lockdown. But of course, you have been churning out songs, you have been churning out numbers, you are giving us visual treat as well as musical treat. So congratulations on that front and congratulations on the number. My introduction is over, which was long. Dhwani, go ahead, all yours.
I just want to say hi.
Hi. Dhwani is so obsessed with Radha that even her account is called Radha. So what is this obsession? And you're making the world go obsessed over Radha. So tell us.
Are you obsessed? That is the question.
I was born obsessed. I was born obsessed.
You were obsessed with Radha before it even released. It's okay. Please don't lie to me now. I just have to say that Radha has been, it's been a good journey, and I have really enjoyed sort of making the song and then releasing it for you guys. It's actually my baby. I'm really very proud of it with the sound it has, with the lyrics it has, with the composition it has, and also the video it has. Always wanted to do something like this, and I'm just very happy that I did it, and I'm happy that people are also liking it.
Buddy, tell me, first and foremost, when you have a song as beautiful as Radha, you featuring in it, of course, and visuals are so beautiful, then how do you shift your focus from visuals to singing, or at times singing take precedence over visuals? What the balance game is like?
So you make the song first, and then you sort of see what visuals would go on this, and definitely the director plays a huge part into what visuals there should be. And I'm just lucky to have found Karan, who was very much on the same page, and also wanted to do the things that I wanted to do, and he gave it a structure and made this video for us.
Okay.
Yeah, it was.
But now the attention is more. Now the attention is more even on the visual part because your costumes are so beautiful. You are making those moves.
It was always there.
It was always there, but now here the moves are so fluid and they're so lyrical and so graceful. So paying attention on those moves as good as paying attention on the song. So that is the whole package deal, is what I'm talking about.
Definitely. I mean, pop is supposed to be a package deal, and I'm just happy that I've always kept that in mind, that my videos have to be as good as my songs, and they have to complement each other. That's exactly what was kept in mind even for Radha. We didn't want to go ahead with the narrative because it just that there wouldn't it wouldn't look as urban as we wanted it to,
Right.
if I went ahead with the narrative. And I always wanted to, in fact, just make the whole song about me and just sort of not have any other character except Radha. That's it.
Look at you. मतलब self obsession मुझे बोल रहे हैं आप obsess हैं. And now you
It's
see.
not about self-obsession. It's about also.
नहीं, आप मुझे बोल रहे हैं. And then in this song, it's all about me, which is good. I mean, the fans are going gaga over it, of course. And 30 million views is a testimony to the goodness of the song. But tell me, when we met last, there was this bunch of kids who performed for you on stage, if you remember, in that nursery, in that school. And you influenced people, especially the younger generation, in this huge, beautiful way, does it act as a responsibility? Do you act as a responsible person more so now, more than ever before? Or do you feel it's a all delight? I'm famous, I'm all out there, my songs are out there, and I am making that impact.
You know what? I don't take things for granted. Like I've never been that person.
Yeah.
So I was responsible earlier, and I am more responsible now since I'm older than I was, and I'm sort of wiser,
Mm.
and I've tried to understand things. And I am sort of, but I've always, like, even initially, like, when I started out, I always knew I had to be responsible. I couldn't do things, just I couldn't act out, and I'm never, even in general as a person also, I'm not someone who's not responsible, or who,
Mm.
just does whatever she wants. I mean, I've been a pretty good kid,
Yeah.
and that's what I am. And I just hope that I influence that in the other kids.
Which is a noble cause, of course. And 2 years of Vaste Duniya. I mean, it's a long time, Dhwani, since uh, I mean, I know I was there at St. Xavier's while the film was being shot. Of course, the song was being shot, and you were running from pillar to post to get all those visuals done. You're getting tired, but also you are giving 100% so that the visuals look good, the song comes out well. And now 2 years, how do you look at it? How do you look at the success of the song? Lyrically, it is beautiful. There are very few songs who can match to the lyrics and the poetry and the essence. इसमें substance है, style तो है ही, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा substance है, emotion है. So how close this song is to you, and plus 1 billion views already. Wow, wow is the word that describes the whole experience, doesn't it?
I'll tell you what. So if you take out all the 1 billions of it, and if you take out all the love the audience has given it, I think I loved Vaste much before that.
Yes.
When I heard it for the first time, I think I was so much in love with it that I listened to it on a daily basis, and I was like, I have to do this song. I
Yes.
really love this song. I'm going to give it my 100%.
Right.
And I then afterwards, I think even Vinay Radhika sort of felt the same, and they did a fab job. I don't think anybody else would have been able to direct it better. And I just very lucky that I have that whole team working around the clock with me to do this song. And I don't even remember, and the good part is I don't even remember working hard. Like, I only remember the good parts about this song, and I I have so many memories that I don't have memories.
Okay.
You know, like, it's so crazy. It was such a roller coaster, and it
Yeah.
was so. And when it released, I just remember that one moment I was waiting for Bhushanji to say that release the song. We were waiting for him to say that, Acha, now it was today, I think it was 6th April, and it was at 5:30. And he just picked up the call, and it was like, Acha, release it.
Mhm.
And I was like, we can't find him. I'm getting so frustrated. It's the end of the day.
But of course, huge success. Did you anticipate that success?
No.
Okay.
I just did my job. Everyone just did their job. We had no idea whatsoever that we just wanted people to sort of, validate us in a way that we did a good job. But we didn't know that it's going to be such a big validation
Oh,
that, you know,
right, right. That it will be so overwhelming, and of course, you're thankful for the name. I mean,
definitely.
you have always shown that gratitude towards your work and towards the success that you have garnered for your work. But of course, now Radha, talking about this is an interesting. I don't know. I mean, the meaning itself is so full of substance, as I've been saying. Because when you say Radha, of course, you talk about Krishna and love, and all the gopikas and all the Krishna's lovers were flowing in a steady stream. They wanted Krishna for themselves, so they were in a steady stream. So they were Thara, and Radha was the lover who was exactly and dramatically opposite to that philosophy. So because she was opposite to that philosophy, the reverse is Radha, not Thara. So she was unique in that space. So when we say that in that depth, what does word Radha mean to you? And have you conveyed that meaning in the song?
I think I really have. When you hear, she's deeply and madly in love.
Correct.
You know, she says, "रातें ये पूरी होना मुलाकातें ये आधी आधी सी." When you listen to the words, when you sort of focus on them, right, you sort of see how um, you know the story is not complete because he eventually went and married Meera.
Correct. Correct. Yes.
That's his wife.
Yes.
So it's just her side of the story, and she's
Her
not
side of the
upset
story.
about it.
Yes.
She's happy. She loves
Yeah.
him,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and but if you like, even when you don't think about Radha literally as Radha, like girls who sort of express their love, sometimes they get the mohan, sometimes they don't. But it's just that
Wow. Nicely said. Very
it
nicely
comes
said.
from a place where I love you, but I don't know if we are going to be together, but I still love you.
Wow. And that's why Radha was so unique. Radha, the character, was so unique from our mythos and our mythology. That while other
Yeah.
lovers wanted Krishna, even though she was not with Krishna, Krishna resided in her.
Still with
She
you.
was happy. She was happy with being with the emotion of Krishna. And you conveyed that.
Exactly.
While Vasudev was about accomplishment of love, उनका love मुकम्मल हो गया था या नया love उसने ढूंढ लिया था. Radha
Huh.
has not gotten her love, and yet she is ecstatic about it. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, she's okay because it's about girls who sort of say it out loud, dude. It's not about Mohan here at all. It's just about Radha. She's a person who's in love and she's just going around dancing with her gopis everywhere. And she doesn't need that thing ke, aa jao mere paas.
Yeah.
For
Or I
sure.
want to have you, or I want to have you in my life forever. That kind of.
Yeah.
There is no
She's just
achievement.
that
There
I
is no
love you.
goal.
That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah. There is no achievement. There is no
It's an
obsession. There is
open
no
end.
goal. It's an open-ended story, of course. And of course, talking about Vasudev, Vasudev was very nice, rhythmic, lyrical, romantic. Radha is about that you have mixed it up really nicely. And then you have Dilbar, Dilbar. How do you switch all these notes and accomplish that as a versatile singer, Dhwani?
I think it's a state of mind. I feel, with Dilbar, I think it was a playback, and for me, it was a sexiness that had to
Correct.
come in the
A
song.
sensuality. A sensuality.
So that sensuality, not making it vulgar, just that hint of and that I feel like has to be in the character of the voice. That has to be so I that's what I did, with when Tanishq wanted to dub me for Dilbar, and I he specifically told me, like, this is he will discuss expressions. He's like, kuch bhi chalega, but expression galat nahi chalega. And I'm just like, yeah, that's true, and it's all about how the people will feel what you feel, and I feel like you have to feel that emotion for them to for it to translate in your voice, and then for the people to sort of understand.
ध्वनि कैसा लगता है मतलब आप बैकग्राउंड सिंगर हो बतौर बैकग्राउंड सिंगर इफ योर सॉन्ग इज अ सक्सेस like Dilbar is which plays in every club even while you're driving in the car you want to listen to that song so it covers all the zone and then you have your own indie songs like pop songs where you feature what do you want to do more or is it about quality work alone
At the end of the day, I'm into pop. Like, I want to be a pop star. I mean,
so the goal is very clear yeah.
the goal is very clear. But again, when you're in Bollywood, you have to do playback, and I like doing playback.
Yeah. And playback singers ultimately they do concerts also. They are always on the forefront also. So it's not that if you're just a playback singer,
Yeah,
you do
it's
not
not
get
like
a
that.
chance to
I
shine
mean,
on.
but definitely for me, I think pop is more sort of the path that I want to follow. But again, like I said, since we are in an industry where movies have songs and you need singers to sing them, I want to do that as well.
Correct. And I've been doing that job absolutely fantastically. What a range and what work you're giving us in terms of variation, in terms of variation not just musically but lyrically as well as visually. Thanks a lot talking to us. Thanks a lot for your time. But before letting you go, I have this small challenge for you, and I know you have to do it for me. And of course, we're going to celebrate music with that and your accomplishment. Can you just make a transition, say from Radha to Vaste to Dilbar in one go, in one solid, swift stroke. Starting from, I'm sure you're confused. I'm telling you this.
Radha to Dilbar to
Humming from Radha. Let's start with Radha because that's the current rage. So Radha, we move to Vaste and perhaps end it with Dilbar.
okay.
Take your time. Think about it. पानी पी लो चलेगा.
पूरी होना मुलाकातें आधी आधी सी बातें सुन लो मेरी जरा वास्ते जा भी दूं मैं गवाह भी दूं किस्मतों का लेखा मोड़ दूं अब तो होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिलबर ओ तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिलबर 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 हाँ दिलबर 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 हाँ दिलबर दिलबर.
Multi-millionaire already, and of course now billionaire, and soon you will be multi-billionaire as well. Dhwani Bhanushali, thank you so much for entertaining in the
But only in
the
views
fashion.
right now, guys.
Only in terms of views, of course, those will translate into dollars, not just rupees, into dollars soon. Thank you, Dhwani, for the manner in which you have been entertaining us, engaging us, and giving us songs that we like to hum, and we will be humming for years to come. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.